Hi everyone, today we are going to solve this question: how does artificial rain works? Artificial rain, also known as cloud seeding, is what's known as a weather modification technique. It artificially alters the weather by enhancing the ability of clouds to produce so-called artificial rain, or snow, which can help meet the precipitation needs of a particular region. It artificially alters the weather by enhancing the ability of clouds to produce so-called artificial rain, or snow, which can help meet the precipitation needs of a particular region. What are the risks of artificial rain? According to several reports, artificial rains might eventually change climatic patterns, if not regulated or controlled properly. Cloud seeding may cause undesirable, if not altogether, destructive weather conditions such as flooding, storms, hail risks, etc. What is the history of artificial rain? The first field experiments to seed clouds by dry ice were carried out before World War II. In 1931, the Dutch physicist A. Ferrat used dry ice, CO2, as an ice nucleating agent to seed clouds from an aircraft. The experiments conducted at the General Electric Laboratories, USA, in 1946 and 1947. What are the different types of artificial rain? There are two primary methods employed to stimulate precipitation. 1. Hygroscopic seeding, affects warm cloud processes. The other, glaciogenic seeding, initiates cold cloud processes. Who invented artificial rain? Vincent J. Schaefer. Which country used cloud seeding first? The first attempt to modify natural clouds in the field through cloud seeding began during a flight that began in upstate New York on the 13th of November 1946. When did UAE start cloud seeding? The cloud seeding program in the UAE was initiated in the late 1990s, as one of the first Middle Eastern countries to utilize this technique. Bye everyone, hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below.